Okay, so welcome back, Local Customs. Thanks for coming back. Hope everybody's having a good day. So what we're going to do is we're working on this 1954 COE. We're going to take the coil springs out of the front. We're going to make some airbag suspension to go in the front of it so this thing can go up and down. He's going to put some nice wheels on it, and he wants to sit real low. So we're going to just fabricate the airbag stuff for the front for right now, get the frame underneath it, get the cradle built to hold the body up, and get all that done. So right now I'm taking the bottom ball joint loose. I took the shock off. That way I can make the bottom A-arm come loose so that I can get the coil spring out. And from there we'll start fabricating the airbag tower.
Fix this spring.
There it goes. All right, let it down.
Ooh, it's on the tire.
All right.
You come down?
Yeah.
There it is.
Put them back together. So on this truck, there's a bump stop to stop the suspension from going down too far. So in order to put airbags in, we got to get rid of this. So we're going to torch it off. We'll put a flat plate on the top, maybe a cup, and then the airbag with the fittings. So we'll see whatever we need to do to make it happen.
Make it happen.
Make it a little bit hotter. Ain't quite hot enough. Cut them out. this frame here, we got the airbags in, we got all the plates in, got it tacked up. We're just gonna see now if it operates. We got it all plumbed up. We just plumbed it to a Schrader valve so we can try it out and see if it goes up and down. That's it. Looks like we've got plenty of travel. Looks like that'll work. That's about right height there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we got that taken care of. We're going to roll it underneath the body, and we're going to start sitting it down on the body and see where we're going to build our cab mounts at. About there's about right height, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll leave it there.
Not too bad.
That thing should jump right up.
Mm-hmm.
That ought to do it.
Yeah, buddy.